Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the feature and creating a clear structure, because classes only work when turned on. First, open Preferences and enable Classes. This lets Quickbooks tag transactions. Once done, design a short hierarchy, department, location, or product line, so reporting stays useful. Next, create your first classes in the Lists area, name them consistently, and add inactive placeholders if needed. You want a minimal, logical set now. You can expand later as patterns emerge. Now you assign classes to the actual transactions, so reports reflect reality. For every invoice, bill, check, or journal entry, put the correct class in the class column. This is how QuickBooks groups income and expenses. To speed up recurring work, set a default class for customers, jobs, or items. Make sure defaults match your structure. If you have many transactions, use batch enter or edit multiple list entries to update classes in bulk. These steps ensure data consistency across your ledger. Finish by running class-based reports to verify accuracy and drive decisions. Pull profit and loss by class and transaction detail by class. Review anomalies and trace entries back to source documents. Make corrections where needed, either edit transactions or use reclassify tools if available. This fixes systemic tagging errors. Once reconciled, lock the period and document the class rules so your team remains consistent. If numbers still look wrong, check for missing class columns or defaults that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.